He's naked. Tase him! Tase him! Running southbound. He's naked. Male black.
For today's video, officers were searching the home of a man who had a warrant for felony breaking and entering. All was going well until that man, naked and only having one arm, decided to jump out of a bathroom window and flee from the officers. I'm including the body camera of 3 of the officers, and you'll get to see the foot chase from each of their perspectives, and then the video ends with the original officer placing the suspect under arrest. I hope you enjoy this video. I hope you learned something, and I'll talk to you soon.
Is the science in here? Yeah.
Wait, where's the science? Columbus Police! Esaias! Columbus Police!
Okay. You want to go outside?
Columbus Police! He's in the shower or something.
Open the door. Go get him.
It's locked.
Hey, y'all.
He's in a locked door. He's in here in the bathroom.
Are there any more kids in here?
Columbus Police, come out right now! Someone just ran out.
He ran out the back.
Don't move! Taking one into custody. Hold the air.
Hold the air.
I'll get the address.
What are you doing?
You have a warrant for your arrest. Columbus Police! He's in the shower. Send the children out. Send the children out.
Hey, y'all.
He's in a locked door. He's in here in the bathroom.
Are there any more kids in here?
Columbus Police, come out right now! Someone just ran out.
He ran out the back.
Get on the ground! Get on the ground! Get on the ground! Taser! Get on the ground! Get on the ground! Turn around, face away from me! On your stomach! Don't move! Taking one into custody. Hold the air.
Hold the air.
I'll get the address.
What are you doing?
You have a warrant for your arrest.
He's at the front! He's at the front! He's naked! Tase him! Tase him! Running southbound. He's naked. Male black. Tase him! Get on the ground! Turn around, face away from me! On your stomach! Don't move! Taking one into custody. Hold the air. For what?
Breaking and entering.
You knew. That's why you ran. No.
Anyone here, we got custody.
Yeah, I said taking one into custody. I can't breathe. Please. What do you come out a window?
Back window.
Side window. You try to go in the backyard, saw me, and then double back.
Anybody else in the park looking for them? 41 or what?
All right.
Hey, what?
Damn fence, cut my pants.
Hey, oh my mama. Let me just get my clothes.
Well,
Please.
we'll see if we can.
Please, let me just get my clothes. I swear to God, I just want to get my clothes.
Alright.
It's an F5. It's not even, I get it into the warrant lifted. It ain't nothing. Come on, bro. Hey.
Nope.
All right, well, we'll have to... Hey,
Please.
can somebody go back to the address and get some clothes? At least a pair of shorts?
It's in the bathroom. Yeah.
Yeah, just...
For F5? I can get it lifted right now.
Then why didn't
No,
you?
you can't.
Yes, I can. All I gotta do is get a public defender.
Don't move. Stay right there.
All I gotta do is get a public defender.
If you do anything stupid, I'm gonna tase you.
Man, I'm not gonna run, bro.
You did.
Hey, you already did or not?
I'm scared, bro.
All right.
Bro, please, man. I swear to God, man, y'all, I gave up. I gave up. Y'all got me.
If you guys want to put gloves on.
Y'all got me.
One at a time. Don't move. You understand me?
I'm not gonna run, bro. I'm not stupid, bro. And everything I love, I just want my clothes. Bro, I swear to God, bro. I'm corroborating. On everything I love, I'm corroborating, bro. I just want to wear my clothes, bro, like a regular human being, and I'll go with y'all. I swear to God.
Should have gone with us the first time.
I mean,
Instead of being butt naked in the backyard, looking like this.
Please, man. I swear to God, I'll cooperate. Did y'all have a warrant for my arrest to come in?
Sure did.
Yeah, that's why you ran.
I don't know. Did my mom see the warrant?
Your mom doesn't have to see the warrant.
What you mean? You gotta have a warrant. Where's the warrant at?
You got no idea how this works, do you?
Where's the warrants at? To search the
It's
house.
at the clerks. You'll get a copy of it when we take you to
To
jail.
search the house.
It's an arrest
To
warrant.
come in. To come in. You gotta have a warrant to come in.
Yeah, an arrest warrant with the listed address, which is already
F5?
filed.
An F5, that's gonna go down to a misdemeanor? Are you serious? I didn't even do nothing. They pointed me out. The community is doing
Stop.
this.
Hey, calm down.
Man,
Stop
I
tensing
swear to
up.
God, they've been
Hey,
framing this over
Isaias.
kid.
It's like
Man, why you saying a bandit like that, bro?
here's some undies. Hey, really?
Come on, bro.
All right, just slip the shorts on.
I put them on myself, bro.
No.
I think they have this hand.
There you go. And get your other foot in there. All right. I'll get the old front end a little bit. Okay, roll him on his
How do I know I
right
was at my
side.
house? Huh?
On your right side.
Come on, bro. I'm cool, man. I swear to God, bro. I'm not, bro. Listen, I'm not gonna run.
Please stop talking.
You already ran.
Okay, sit up on your butt.
F5, bro. F5, bro. I'm gonna get out tomorrow.
Just walk him out just with his hand behind his back like you
That's
have.
cool, bro. I just got a
Then we'll
brand
figure
new
out
kid,
something
bro. I'm
once he's
trying
in
to
the
go.
car secure. Put your hand behind your back. Just like that.
1440 car.
You know I seen the video too, right?
Can I get up?
You know I seen the video too, right? Everybody got it. Is that illegal?
Hey, copy. It's the truck is the side and front door. There's a female
I swear to man, come on,
on
man.
scene. She didn't have a passport.
Is there a way I can get a bond today?
You can go with that when you go down there, alright?
Huh?
I don't
I'm
know.
not in control of that.
They'll tell you everything you need to know when you go down.
Okay, can I put my drawers on?
Not right now.
I just want to talk to my mom. Can I yell at her? I love her.
Which car is he going in?
Stop.
If I ain't, that's what it would do.
Go in there.
Love you. If
Go
I
in
ain't, I
there. Go
love
in
you
the
like.
car. Just go in the car.
TV might go nigga. I love you. Watch me on TV.
Let's go down there.
What with you?
Roof.
I'm trying to, man.
Hey, look. Seriously.
I'm trying to put my pants up, man. Look at me.
Can say something. You don't want to run out the house butt naked.
4 F5.
Then why'd you run?
Why y'all on my? Y'all come y'all harass my mom's house every day. I came here for the first time.
All right.
And y'all still on my ass. Why is y'all on that? Huh? Why is y'all on that, man?
You want us to take him or want you to go?
on,
You'll
bro.
probably have to be taken down to be interviewed. So.
That's what it is.
We'll take it.
That's what it is. It's a fingerprint. I'm gonna go home right now. Yes, that's what it is.
Okay.
That's all it is. I ain't never seen a case that's close that got a warrant.
All right.
Come on, bro.
We can ask her.
I don't want to talk. I don't want to talk though.
130.
I don't want to talk to nobody. I want to talk to my lawyer. I don't want to go downtown. I don't want to talk to nobody. Can I skip the
55
process?
info.
We'll see.